Completing checklists in MAPCON is a great way to manage and accomplish tasks correctly and efficiently. The Quick Checklist screen allows users to instantly complete a simple checklist as well as make a checklist into an open or completed work order. In this tutorial, we will look at the Quick Checklist feature of MAPCON and MAPCON Mobile. This feature is exclusive to MAPCON Pro and requires the Advanced Maintenance module. The Quick Checklist option is a great way to complete simple checklists that are attached to equipment or locations, but not necessarily tied to work orders. This feature is also useful for formally filling out checklists that have already been completed by a worker or to attach dispatch checklists as work orders to employees. To navigate to the Quick Checklist screen, begin at the Asset menu and select Quick Checklist. Once on the Quick Checklist screen, users can choose whether to look up checklists by equipment or by location. Next, users can search by individual checklists or by asset with checklists attached. If needed, the blue arrow button can be used to bring up a search field to make finding a checklist easier. The All button can be checked to bring up all equipment for that checklist in the section below. In the lower section, find the desired assets and check the Do box. If users are looking to dispatch the checklist to themselves, the Dispatch to Me button can be checked. Users with the Advanced HR module will also have the option to auto-schedule the checklist. After making all the necessary selections, click Ready to Process to bring the checklist up on the right side of the screen. From here, users can either choose to complete the checklist now or dispatch the checklist as a work order. If users are looking to simply complete the checklist, they can begin to check off each question or task. To save time, the Check All button can be clicked to check all the Done boxes. Once the checklist is finished, select a priority from the drop-down and check the Completed box. Finally, clicking the Save icon at the top will create completed work orders for each completed checklist. Users can also choose to dispatch or schedule a checklist as a work order to another employee or to themselves. If Dispatch to Me was checked at the top, then the user's name will be present in this lower section. Double-clicking this blue field will allow users to choose other employees to dispatch to. For those with Advanced HR, the Schedule box can be checked to schedule the checklist for completion. Next, set a priority for the checklist. And finally, click the Save icon at the top to create open work orders for each checklist not marked complete. For these tips and more, check out MAPCON Technologies on social media. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.